G'day, it's Chriso from Queensland, Australia. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years and I'm doing this bathroom now. I've just started it this morning and I'm just putting down cement sheet on the floor, nailing it off. I've glued it down also with no more nails. It's a good glue, instant stick. It just helps to glue it all down. So now I'm nailing it off. You nail it off every roughly 100 mil. But I've glued it down as well, so I'm spacing my nails a little bit further apart. You never waterproof over tongue and groove flooring, never. You always cover it first. A word of advice for DIYs. Never waterproof straight over tongue and groove flooring because it moves. And you'll stuff up big time if you do. It must be sheeted. Just in the process of putting my glue out. Like so. Slap it around the place. This stuff's fairly cheap, the glue, so don't be scared of using too much. It's all right. Other way. Lovely. I'll be going over these joints. Nail it off, cookie. I have a staple gun and a compressor, but I didn't have enough room to put it in this morning. If I had more floor to go down, I would make sure I would have had my compressor here. But it's not a great deal of flooring. But it is going to end up a beautiful bathroom. I'm going to the ceiling. See how it's all square set? There's no cornice. I go to the ceiling. These are always cool. It's a rain shower. So it just falls, you know, falls straight down on you. I've got one at home in my own place, and I reckon they are the coolest ever. So DIYers, if you're when you're doing your bathroom, get the plumber or yourself to put one of those rain showers in. They're so cool. Okay, that's enough from me. I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.